Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, South Africans, Africans, and the whole world. This is Uppercut Podcast, where you get into the ring, but your opinion might not make it out because you're reigning, defending, undisputed #1 educational speaker in the whole world is your host with the most. With the most, really. Because namhlanje bafethu I've got a very interesting story. I hope abantu intwana zami wonke umuntu uzofunda kuzo. Because I always say this podcast bafethu is educational. Locker room on Uppercut Podcast. Click le button bafethu yokusubscribe ukuthi sikhule bafethu ni share niba ma-members sambeni sonke. This is educational. Kuyoze kuphela umuvango hayile. Kuyoze kuphela generation baba. Hayile. With that being said, I just want to say hello to everybody. I love you, I respect you. As long as you have peace in your hearts, guys, we are going somewhere as a country. Danko lolo. Hey bafethu ngelinye ilanga ke ngiyavuka nje it's Saturday. Ejele awu khona le awuthi le ethengisa insango eseleni simix eseleni ama Air Force 3 ama Air Force 4 ama 25 ama 26 ama 27 ama 28 simix eseleni. Hayi man, amalanga ayahamba lezo thi lezi ngelinye ilanga mina on that Saturday ke sibukela ibhola, kudlala ibhola, sports day ejele, Saturday, Sunday. And hence Sunday ihlangane nesonto ke, abanye baya esontweni. But sports day, hayi man ngithi yongena eseleni. Kuvuliwe amasela avuliwe vele. Mangena naye awuthama. Kling one look, angathi akumelanga ubheka indaba zabantu. Sengibheka nge-S, yabona. Angithola ukuthi la awuthi ifaka into bekunama la emabondeni bekuneyipika ezakhelwe lapho but mina ngesikhathi sambe sezingasasebenzi le ipika so le awuthi ivula la ifaka le something plastic la iyavala la sha hayi awuthi esijwayele ukubulisana asina bad blood naye every day uhamba nenye awuthi le awuthi ayihlali la eselini le ahamba naye abayenza lento bonke uyangithola awel baphume boyithu nami ngibalandele bangibone vele ukuthi ngiphume nabo bangibone because mina ngumuntu talkative sengishaya ama jokes nyana siloko siphuma nami bengifuna vele ngibonakala ukuthi ngiyaphuma because da kumele uhlale ula ukuthi anything can happen yabona angivaye bangibone bangidlule angithi siloko siyajikeleza ejele indawo engange mhlambe iground sectionini leyo siloko siyajikeleza na bayangibona ngiyeseleni until kuzothiwe phaka time siyodla manje hayi sivayise emapapeni sibuye basibala bohata phela masibuye emapapeni isiphithiphithi kuthiwa i-rush hour ejele umuntu onganagwayi kumele ufune ugwayi umuntu onganansango kumele uyofuna insango uyangithola zonke lezi zinto ezizokwenza happy or relaxed masowuvalelwe sowubukela ama TV yabona sowuhleli lapha yana uyogeza ini uyangithola so bekuyile sikhathi se rush hour yabona grand sesiyabalwa manje nabohata naba sebayeza manje sebayabavalela everyone uyolala manje isikhathi sokulala ejele 3 o'clock uyangithola isikhathi sokuyolala la uyangithola hayi singene emaseleni sikhawuntwe ngifike eseleni grand hayi man sambile ngayogeza mina ngabuya ngahlala phezulu umbhedo wami phezulu ngabuya ngahlala phezulu ngathi amabhaka so mina ngikubank le ephezulu yabo sharp ngibuyela iTV lokho ngabo ma 6 sekufakwa imideyatiya we cover our bed with the sheet yabo kuyavala kunento ekuthiwa umdeyadiya siyavala umbhede nemibhede yavalelwa manje kula uzobona khona ukuthi manje sekusebusuku ejele sekwenziwa nama secret ejele because siyazivalela siloko sivalela You understand? So izele awuthi kimi baqala ukungibona bangibize esibala ukuthi sikubone lapho phela bona ama Air Force 3 le out ingibizela kuphi ngase toilet yabo siyangala amasifika ngada ngitshele mfethu ngilahlekele iplastic elimnyama lesweke lifaka izolo kahle ngilahlekele izolo yami so yimo uwobonile ngithi mfethu yes yimo obonile but akusiyimi mfethu and angazi ukuthi zambe kanjani angazi enhle kumina azange nginake esinjwayelo mfethu yabona mina nginaka indaba zabantu la nginaka indaba zami awuthami kube ngathi uyithathile indaba grand athi mfethu plus wena I don't think ungayenza lento washo kanje athi angiqabanga ukuthi ungayenza lento awuthi yasesibukeni la yabo silale ekseni ngivuke yabona siyageza ekseni it's Sunday manje yabo siyageza ngeyami inkambo ke yama Big 5 yabo on Sunday is Jaref and Peace yabo sibelieve ukuthi kumele sithandaze sibelieve kuNkulunkulu nges Big 5 uyangithola like so ngalelo langa usually nomthetho kahle ngathi awusebenzi yabo because singayenza ama mistakes but it's Jaref and Peace aselwe namhlanje bafethu we don't do anything about being angry yabona yeah those things we just talk peace
nothing violent
yeah makuthiwa peace in German inga Sunday yabo so nami ingqondo yami relaxile plus ngiyaqola ke la ingqondweni yami benkulu ingoma zasejele khona le ngoma engithanda kakhulu yabona so keep it time man tabazumba tabazum uyangithola so leyo ngoma leyo vele ngize nayo from a trial police station yabona bengithanda kakhulu so ngiqula yona lelo la but in my mind yabo so ngidecide ukuthi no angeze full body yabo today ngisishaya half cut and mawusishaya half cut la emazinkini la yabo khona 2 yamazinki ngapha nangapha bese kuba ishower so I don't go in the shower ngeza kumazinki yabo ngale nje ngokuziqobisa ngansipho ekhanda nasebusweni yabo ngafaka ikhanda ngaphansi kwempompi nithi ngiyasplash kuthi nje insipho manje ngibamba kancane amanzi mawe ngibamba kancane nje hayi baba ngizwe ngenye into la angathi ngikobile songikobele phakathi kwezinki ngizwe ngenye into la engespiti ngithi ngiyasukuma ngiyezwa ukuthi khona umuntu ongishanga something uyangithola ngespiti ngithi ngiyasukuma ngishawe impompi yabona le mpompi ngishaya ngathi ngibuyisela ngaphansi ngibuye mangibuya sengilwa nje yabona ngithi kancane mangithi nango lo muntu manje ungifaka neziphathu manje kahle uyangitrapa lo muntu yabona nami uthola ukuthi vele ngapho ke uze kahle o ngaba nenhlanhla on the day yabona yeah ngazilwela bhuti although the rest is history but ngazilwela too much.
So who won the fight?
Yabona I did.
Okay.
I did win the fight because bengizilwela and mina mangilwa ngiyathuka ngithuka ukuthi I will die. So le nto ingenza ukuthi ngibe dangerous kakhulu yabona and more ngisejele manje ngizoba worse dangerous because there is survival of the fittest.
Yes, plus you are young.
Yeah, I am young yabona but I don't want to be told that I'm young ngaleso sikhathi. So ukhawathana nami nalimani mina mangithi ngapha vele ngivele intombi igazi liyavuza kanti igazi I like to believe ukuthi igazi bekungasela elalo muntu because lo muntu yazi ngishaya ngani but ungishaya ngesokisi elifake insipho sunlight ngaphakathi yabona and then he roll it yabona esandleni yabo wafika wangimamela ejele bathi isijumbana leyo nto yabo isijumbana yabo salwa well akuzange abophoyisa bezebeze abafethu ngapha bavula umnyango babuza kwenzakalani basihlukanisa la sayiyeka lento nami ngibhizi ngiyazidefenda ngapha yabo ukuthi hayi man ndimani this naye ngapho yangatheka ngamagama ukuthi no bekuwe manje ngihambe ngithi siphume sonke ngithi athi ngibiza abafowethu yabo ene lelo gama kumelanga likhiphe lokuthi ngibiza abafowethu kusho ukuthi ufuna ukuthi manje sekathi ama big 5 manje atshontshe lento kusho ukuthi mina ngithumela abafowethu you understand lento yeah ene ejele lezo zinto ezinjalo akumelanga zenzeke yabo because wonke umuntu ukudanger manje because iAir Force 3 la manje mina ngi big 5 uyabona ukuthi la manje sekathintana neflag manje la seGermany uyabona yeah kwakhosta ukuthi manje iyokhulunywa le ndaba ukuthi bafethu igazi lalandiwa or kanjani uyabona and right there mina ngaleso sikhathi ngibiza 10 months 9 months ukuthi ngiye ngaphandle ngiqeda ukuphuma ku parole board a few weeks ago and ngithole I date engitshelayo ukuthi by May next year ngiyaphuma and October November mina ngithole I date ngo-October yabona so during October at the end of October or November early kwasuka le ndaba ke yabona hayi man sengiyabona ukuthi manje sekuzolewa la yabo sekuzolewa la yabo angazi isibindi ngasithatha phi but ngayenza lento mina ngaphakama ngatshela abafowethu yabo ukuthi ebafethu akulewa la and siyayeka lento because now bese bengu position I was a medical in Germany bengodokotela bengiphethe le office ngaleso sikhathi yabo so ngine voice per se yabo so ngasebenzisa wona amagama we Big 5 ukuthi angeke ikambo iGermany ife ngikhona yabona yeah but in a way that abantu bebangayicabanganga yabona because manje kumele nje kuyolandwa lento kuyosolviwa le ndaba and manje seyifike la ukuthi manje isolviwa ngenkani yebo mina ngathi bafethu akulewa because igazi elami before Germany kuno aba igazi elami so ngami ngeke kuzolimala abantu abaningi kanje ngenxa yami and mina sengilimele already yabona so mina ngithi let there be peace bafethu ngisave abantu abazolimala nami mhlambe ngizolimala la yabo because mina into bengikhulumisa lezi zinto zonke I'm about to go out now I'm about to be free now mina bengilwa nento yokuthi no impi yona is not an option uyangithola impi is not an option la because izongimoshela letikiti kumele ngiye ngaphandle mina bengijahela ugogo wami phela bengijahela ugogo wami ukuthi angashoni ngekho and sengithola itikiti I'm blessed sengithola idate I'm blessed just nje mangiqeda ukuthola idate few weeks to come kwenzeka lento le yabona but yeah thanks God I managed to win them azange ube nempi mina ngabatshela abafethu ukuthi no ngizosolvela because ngesinamba egcineni ihambe khona bazokuwina ngenamba yabona but the last solution was ukuthi ngizopay revenge mina akuye mina ngiwani then labayana amabalo then sonke singangena uyayibona lento because it gets blow modayimenide it gets blow yabona it gets near Moscow or maybe it gets near Budapest yabona it gets blow on the no it motivates yabona it motivates and blow on the selemo phamma komntu se it gets yiso and like operator of fire yabona so ngifuna ukuthi phela bese ngiyindoda endala kusho ukuthi bengiyindoda kuGermany bengiphethe iposition enkulu nami bengasisotsha and bengase iMoscow kusho ukuthi umntwana wama Big 5 yabona bese ngikhulile ngamamendlela ngalezo inkathi makwenzeka lento lucky for me yabona because mina futhi iqobo lwami ngikhonile ukuthi ngistophe lento and bafethu that changed my mind big time because ngabona ukuthi kula ngasisola khona ukuthi esana bekumele kube kahle kahle ngisesikolweni because I saw ukuthi ngithafu ngengqondo yabo ngithafu ngengqondo phela la ukhuluma nabantu abahlakaniphile abadala kuwe yabo and ukhona kuba convince yabona ukuthi bathi nithole the common ground le efunwa uwe wena ngo-apa ngaleso sikhathi you're reigning defending undisputed #1 educational speaker in the whole world. That's when ngisayina lento ngalezo nkathi inhlizweni yami because I didn't want to see blood and I wanted to go out. I didn't want to see blood, my brother. I'm not that kind of a person. Yeah. So siphelela lapho bafethu history sami. Until next time, siyacela bafethu sicela nesikholise ziyeze ezinye. Mawuna umubuzo la ngizokuphendula ungawari angathi kunama next video. Ngizobhala phansi ngokuphendula but mangabe ufuna ngikhulume nga something engage with us. This is a very educational podcast. Tankololo, siyabonga.